Yes, item 29.
Item 30.
Yeah, yes. My last occasion, your lordship has directed the state government to take the report from the trial court whether he has surrendered before the trial court in time or not.
No, the report was called for whether you have misutilized the liberty while on interim bail or not.
My lord.
And of course, the report was called for from the trial court. What the trial court had reported, interim bail, he was directed to surrender on the expire. He surrender, okay, right time.
My lord.
And how many witnesses have been examined?
Nine witnesses out of 21.
Heard the learned counsel for the petitioner, learned counsel for the state. The report furnished by the learned trial court indicates that out of 21 charge sheet witnesses, 9 witnesses have been examined. And report dated 10/5/2024 indicates that the petitioner was granted interim bail for a period of 3 months on 5/5/2023, and after availing the same, he surrendered right time on 4/8/2023. The learned counsel for the state was asked to obtain instruction from the concerned police station as to whether there is any allegation against the petitioner to have misutilized his liberty or not during the period of interim bail. Kichi aনলে instruction?
Instruction would not receive any.
No instruction has been received. Considering the submission made by the land counsel for the respective parties, the period of detention of the petitioner in judicial custody, the conduct of the petitioner in complying with the earlier order of interim bail, and surrendering at right time, I am inclined to release him on interim bail for a period of 3 months. Yes, disposed of. Next.
Item 31.
Next.
Item 32.
32 malad, I am for the informant malad.
Next.
Item 33.
Next.
Item 34.
As well, Lordship direction, I have already submitted the documents of the sureties. Handed over the same to the Lord State Council.
Yes, have you verified? It's a man from Jharkhand, Bokaro district.
Regarding that, I have already sent the letter, my lord, but he made no instruction.
No, sending the letter would not do. That he handed, as per the order dated 19/4/2024, he has handed over the documents to you, and you are supposed to verify the same. So you have not verified. How many years you are? This man is in custody.
8/7/2021.
Huh?
Since 8/7/2021.
What is the offense here?
TB2C.
And how many witnesses have been examined?
No witnesses have been examined. In the meantime, charge just framed. Your Lordship made appearance of the
That C report
yes,
was
yes, ma'am.
produced.
All total 26 charge sheeted witnesses as per the charge sheet. Some people.
Yes, Mrs. Sahu, you are keeping a person for almost 3 years, not proceeding, and now recently charge has been framed, no witness has been examined, and whose names you have given that
Yes, ma'am.
as these local sureties.
And
One is Dhaneshwar Harijan, another is Hari Harijan.
Bharata,
Dhaneshwar Harijan.
And Hari Harijan.
These are copies.
Dhaneshwar Harijan, and
Hari Harijan.
Hari Harijan.
I'm giving the copies.
So these documents to be verified by the trial court. If it is found to be correct, then the bail bond will be accepted. Heard the learned and counsel for the petitioner, learned and counsel for the state. The learned and counsel for the petitioner submitted that the petitioner was taken into judicial custody on 8/7/2021, and recently charge has been framed, but not a single witness has been examined. On 19/4/2024, an order was passed, and the London State Council, wherein it is mentioned that the State Council uh, uh, was to obtain instruction as to whether the address furnished by the petitioner in the cause title is correct one or not. And the London Council for the petitioner was also directed to supply the names, address, and documents of two local sureties who are interested to take the petitioner on bail to the London Council for the state, so that the authenticity of documents and genuineness of bailers to be verified through the inspector in charge of Sunabada police station. London Council for the state has neither obtained instruction about the correctness of the address mentioned in the cause title, nor the instruction whether the local sureties whose names were furnished to him by the London Council for the petitioner and their documents are genuine or not. Considering the submission made by the London Council for the respective parties, in view of the commercial quantity of ganja seized from the possession of the petitioner and bar under Section 37 of the NDPS Act, while not inclining to release the petitioner on bail on merit, but taking into account the period of detention in judicial custody, I am inclined to release the petitioner on interim bail for a period of 3 months, subject to condition that during interim bail period, the petitioner shall appear before the London trial court on each date when the case would be posted for trial, and Dhaneshwar Harijan and Hari Harijan, whose names have been furnished by the London Council for the petitioner to the state, shall be the local sureties for the petitioner, and the authenticity of the documents uh, furnished by the bailers are to be verified by the London trial court before its acceptance. If the documents of one surety, any of the sureties are not found to be authentic, or if any of the bailers, local sureties, expressed unwillingness to take the petitioner on bail, then it is to be substituted by another local sureties, and the same is to be his documents, and is to be verified before its acceptance. Yes, disposed of.
Item 35.
Pleasure, Lords. Not at 20B2C of the NDPS Act, the petitioner is in custody for about 7 years as UTP.
Hmm.
Is in custody since the Lordship kindly have glanced to the rejection order. Is in custody since 17/8/2017. 2017.
You are a
Right.
man from Madhya Pradesh.
Yes, but I am in custody for 7 years as a UTP.
So,
And the delay in disposal because of the complainant informant is not police officer is not appearing and warrant has been issued against
what
him.
about your instruction about the address verification?
Address verification he did not receive.
Not received. So, furnish the names, address, and documents of two local sureties. The London Council for the State submitted that.
May I?
Yes.
Since he's already in 7 years in custody.
No, he produced the documents.
Let direct the court below to
No,
complete
no.
the case because trial because of the IO's evidence.
You want the trial to be concluded.
IO is not coming. NBW has been issued against him.
All right. The London Council for the petitioner submits that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 17/8/2017, and the case is at the stage of examination of investigating officer.
Against him, warrant has been issued. Against him, NBW has been issued. He is not appearing.
Who is not turning up to give evidence, even though an unbeatable warrant of arrest has been issued against him. The status report submitted by the London trial court also indicate about issuance of NBW against the witness. In view of the period of detention of the petitioner in judicial custody, and keeping in view the ratio laid down in the case of Mohammed Muslim versus so and so, I am inclined to release the petitioner on bail, subject to condition that the petitioner shall furnish the two local sureties, and he will appear before the London trial court on each date. Case will be posted for trial. Yes, allowed.
Item 36.
Please, Your Lordship. That's pursuant to my Lord's last direction dated 14/3/2024. Lord, I'm submitting the sureties details.
Today,
Yes, my Lords.
the London Mr. Sudipto Pandal and Council appearing for the petitioner handed over the names, address, and documents of two local sureties who are interested to take the petitioner on bail. Let the same be verified by the Land Council for the state through the concerned IIC. Put up this matter on 21st of June 2024. Yes.
That's also the address verification of the petitioner because he is a
It will be
resident of
Atheni.
Bihar.
The London Council for the state shall also obtain report regarding address verification of the petitioner. Matter to be listed on 21/6/2024.
Grateful, my Lords.
Item 37.
Next.
Item 38.
Hence under section
Item 39.
Next.
Item 40.
Next.
Item 41.
40. Okay. My
Lord,
lord,
item 41, my lord.
dated item
Item 40, yes.
18/12/23.
BLAPL 1222224 of 2023. Yes, it's a commercial quantity.
Yes.
What is the date of custody?
My lord, date of custody is 18/8/2021.
And what is the position of the trial?
My lord, I have no instruction.
You have no instruction. And have you obtained the instruction about the address verification?
That your lordship had passed on 18/12/23.
All right, she has not obtained. You furnish the two local sureties.
My lord.
The learned counsel for the petitioner submit that the petitioner was taken into judicial custody on 18/8/2021. However, he has no instruction about the status of the trial. Let a status report be called for from such and such. The land council for the state has not produced instruction regarding address verification of the petitioner, which is a man from state of Bihar. Let the land council for the petitioner hand over the names, address, and documents of two local sureties who are interested to take the petitioner on bail. It will be so and so. Matter to be listed on 21st June 2024.
My lord.
Pardon, my lord, item 39.
Yes,
Item 39, my lord.
39.
Mark.
Yes, Mr. 39 number 5. Item 39 the what? Report as well, status report. Some witnesses have been examined.
My lord.
Have you given the copies of the deposition?
No, my lord.
Then
Petition is in custody, my lords. 13/10/2020, my lords.
it's all right, but witnesses have been examined and
Some of the witnesses have been examined, my lords.
it's a commercial quantity of ganja.
My lords. And other co-accused persons, all the accused persons, they were released on
What is the date of custody?
30/10/2020, my lords.
30/10/2020.
My lords.
What are the offences under which charge sheet submitted?
Charge sheet submitted, my lords, 21C 29 NDPS Act, my lords.
21C 29.
My lords.
How many? What was seized from your possession?
301
of
1 gram
brown
brown
sugar.
sugar seized, my lords. And
From that matter, two criminal antecedent also against the present petitioner.
What are the offences there?
95, 25, 27 Arms Act. And another also 21C 29 NDPS.
File the comprehensive affidavit. Learned counsel for the state. अच्छा लिख दिया तो पेरी the status report submitted by the learned trial court. The learned counsel for the state submitted that there are two criminal antecedents against the petitioner. One is under section 395 and the other is under 21C of the NDPS Act. Let the land counsel for the petitioner obtain instruction about the status of such case and file comprehensive affidavit. Hai na?
no, my lord, I am not the Amit Kumar Sahu. My lord, I am the Kanu Pradhan, my lords. Amit Kumar Sahu to no, Kanu Pradhan, my lord.
Are you holding item number 39, Mrs. Sahoo?
My lord, 39 Amit Kumar Sahu, PS 364 of 2023.
BLAPL number 12192 of 23. ଆପଣ cause list ପାଖରେ ରଖୁନାହାନ୍ତି କି?
କାନୁ ପ୍ରଧାନ ଫାଇଲ ଅଛି। Petitioner.
Sorry, my lord. This one is the Amit Kumar Sahu. I will obtain regarding the antecedent, my lord. It is the Kanu Pradhan.
Is a local man or outsider?
Local man, my lords. Khurda, my lords.
You have obtained the case diary.
My lord.
So is it, does it indicate any criminal antecedent?
Verify, my lord, just possible. 7 accused person in this case, that's why.
Pass over you want. All right.
Just possible.
Yes, next.
All right. My lord, item 32. Yes. Your lordship, 32. 32.
32, somebody sought for an adjournment.
No, no, my lord. Pass over. It was passed over. Just only when I came, the lordship was taking on 34 items.
Is not the council.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Yeah. Is 32 count?
32 my lord. It's a case of OPID Act. Both wife and husband have been arrested and they are in jail since 5/5/2022. And my lord, already 2 years have passed, my lord. Your lordship knows the purpose of OPID Act is recovery, so that the investors, they will get back the money. And both the accused are in jail for 2 years, my lord. If I have filed an interim application, bail, interim petition
So
for,
how much amount you have collected from the depositors?
as per the 6 crores.
Huh?
6 crores.
So deposit is 6 crores.
They are already in jail.
So
What I pray, my lord, let one of them be released on bail, conditional bail for 2 months. In the meantime, whatever.
no, unless you deposit the amount,
Six,
some
that
amount,
is
there is no
that is the
question.
problem, because with much difficulty, the father-in-law of the Pallavi Hota, one of the accused wife, he has they have arranged 6.5 lakhs, which I am holding right now. I am prepared to deposit it. Let them be released for 2 months, at least conditional bail. They will surrender. In the meantime, they will dispose of their paternal property and whatever possible.
At least 1 crore you deposit, will see that.
1 crore,
This is money of the innocent persons.
2 months time may be given, so one of them may be released on interim bail for 2 months, my lord.
You try obtain instruction how much more you can deposit. Put up this matter after entering summer
Because
vacation.
the elections are
Running
going on,
counsel
even
for
if
the
they sell their
states
landed property, my lord, no buyer will come forward to buy it
petitioner
right
shall
now.
obtain instruction since the deposit he has collected deposit for more than 6 crore. Obtain how much the amount the petitioner can deposit at the first instance and how is to clear up the rest of the amount by way of installments. Put up this matter on 21st June 2024. Yes.
Lord, no. One of them may be released temporarily for 2 months, my lord.
29, yes. What do you want?
Lord, 41, my lord, I am in the VC.
29.
All the accused person religion. Yes, also argument. Apparent to the information. Notice also solved the. He also got appeal. And the custody on 5/5/2023.
29, you have received the case diary, Mrs. Sahoo.
One of the accused also released on bail.
29.
He named not five as body of the FIR.
What is the offense here? 6 POCSO Act.
3762 1 and postcard 6 and 70.
So what is the evidence of the victim
Victim also examined.
as
In
PW?
PW, I have also annexed here with the PW. The allegation is the battle of Polai, who was also released on bail.
I'm asking you, who is the victim?
Victim.
No, PW1 only.
PW1. Florida.
Not for the.
She has not this for a single line existing. She also examined by the PW1. 164 9, 161 9, and the deposit settlement of the Mona.
Wait. Badal Pali, along with another person, suddenly the other accused come to me and caught hold of my mouth. Then they took me, Badal Pali, they took me in the thatched house. I cannot say. Badal forcibly sworn so. Later, the other person refused reading that.
Badal also released on bail. The court below.
Where is the bail order?
See. And another court is similar putting also released on bail.
No, you made a statement that the Badal has been released on bail.
In
I
BLPL
wanted the
2680 of 2023, ma'am. 2680 of 2023. These are the orders.
pass on.
Because of
Name is Vikas Bhod alias Gullab Badal. Vikas Bhod.
See, তার নাম হচ্ছে বাদল।
Badal also. And bail application that also rejected and the direction was the after examination the victim. Thereafter also filing bail applications of the court below that he was released on bail.
না বাদল এটা অর্ডার করে। No, you produce the bail order of Badal. This is one Badal, Vikas Bhod alias Badal, but this bail order was granted because a submission was made that co-accused Badal, against whom main allegation is there, he has been released on bail. That is why this order was subject to condition that the court has to grant bail only if it finds that co-accused Badal has been granted bail. The learned counsel for the petitioner placed the evidence of the victim who has been examined as PW1 and submitted that Badal Pallai is the main accused in this case, who, as per the statement of the victim, committed rape on her. And the said Badal Pallai has already been released on bail. Let the learned counsel for the petitioner produce the certified copy of the bail order of co-accused Badal Pallai, put up this matter on 21st June 2024.
I'm sorry to intervene, my lord, if your lordship permit me. Yesterday matter was passed over. Direction was given to verify the surety, genuineness of the surety.
Which item?
27.
No, 22.
27.
22.
27 sureties verified, Mr.
No. That's it.
May 22 also.
Ah.
22 also.
Good. 27, what is your submission, Mr. Mahapatra?
Mother of the petitioner was ill and your lordship directed and it was verified and the report was submitted to your
You have
lordship.
filed an interim application.
Yes,
My
sir.
lord, my lord.
What is that IN number?
1244 of 2023.
Okay.
And the identity also verified. Only your lordship directed to verification of the local sureties.
Two local surety document filed by the petitioner's counsel, my lord. It
Yeah.
was already instruction obtained regarding that, my lord. Criminal antecedent also against the surety.
Local sureties.
Local surety criminal accidental bail have any.
So file the better sureties. The Learned Council for the state has obtained instruction that the local sureties are having criminal antecedent. Let the Learned Council for the petitioner file fresh local sureties. Yes.
My lord, may I say one thing?
Yes.
Local surety gentlemen cannot come forward.
Yes.
The only they can be collected the persons having cases with the advocate concerned.
Maybe I'm not granting bail to. Yes. Next. Yes. 22.
Custody since 11/3/2018.
11/3.
2018, my lord.
Yes.
More than 6 years he remain in custody, my lord.
What is the offense here?
Offense
20B2C.
22C of NDPS Act, my lord.
You are a man from
Jharkhand, my lord.
okay Chhattisgarh.
Sorry, my lord. Sorry, Chhattisgarh.
So your address has been verified.
Address is 29/10/9/10/2020.
And what about the local sureties?
Local surety have local surety. About the item 22. Item 22.
Okay, those are okay. The date is correct, Mrs. Sahoo.
My lord.
The date of custody is 11/3/2018. Is it correct?
I will verify.
Just see the charge sheet.
My lord. List of Yes, 6/9/2018. 6/9/2018. That's it.
He was apprehended at the spot.
My lord. Is a helper. Driver already released on bail.
Or the Learned Counsel for the petitioner, Learned Counsel for the state. The Learned Counsel for the petitioner submitted that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 11/3/2018. And in the trial court, the reporter, out of 14 charge sheet witnesses, 3 witnesses have been examined. 4 witnesses have been examined. The Learned Counsel for the petitioner handed over the names, address, and documents of 2 local sureties to the Learned Counsel for the state, who after verification has furnished the report dated 25/2024 of the IIC Sonpur police station, wherein it is mentioned that nothing adverse was found against the 2 local sureties, namely Chaitan Deep and Ganga Kumbhat. And their documents sureties documents were found to be genuine and they are also ready and willing to take the petitioner on bail. The instruction received from the Learned Counsel for the state is taken on record. What about the address verification? In spite of number of orders passed by this court for address verification, the Learned Counsel has failed to obtain instruction in that respect. Considering the submission made by the Learned Counsel for the respective parties, the period of detention of the petitioner in judicial custody, slow progress of the trial, and keeping in view the ratio let down in the case of Muhammad Muslim versus Swanshu, I am inclined to release the petitioner on bail subject to condition that Chaitanya Deep and Ganga Kumbhat shall be the two local sureties for the petitioner.
Custody my lord 11/3/2018.
Huh?
11/3/2018 custody.
11 हाँ सेटा से 11/3/2018 लेके ठीक है
Urgent custody.
Item 31.
yes
31.
what is your item
31.
31 yes
To be to see my lord. Lordship, before going to merit of the case, previous bail application for us.
it is stayed by this court.
Man,
Who has come to this court?
agent petitioner. So at the
Oh.
stage of argument, they file a petition. For,
Recall petition was filed and to issue summons to PW5 to produce the Malkhana register. That was allowed and you have challenged that order. So stay has been granted. Now at your instance, stay has been granted. So since when you are in custody?
21/5/2021.
21?
5/2021.
It's a commercial quantity of ganja. And you are a man from local man. Any criminal antecedents?
No.
Regarding criminal antecedent my lord, no instruction has been issued my lord.
Are the Learned Counsel for the petitioner, Learned Counsel for the state? That date is correct, Mrs. Sahu.
My lord,
21/5/2021 जोटा कहउछन.
CD also has not come in
The
this case.
Learned Counsel for the petitioner submitted that the say spot to arrest is.
No, madam.
Then
For 2006.
okay, that is mentioned in the rejection order. Please come to Annexure 1. The petitioner is in judicial custody since 21/5/2021. And when at the stage of argument, a petition was filed by the prosecution to recall a witness, and it was allowed. The petitioner has challenged the said order before this court, and the trial has been stayed. And the petitioner is a local man. There is no chance of absconding. Therefore, the bail application may be favorably considered. Learned Counsel for the state opposed the prayer for bail mainly on the ground of seizure of commercial quantity of ganja and bar under section 37 of the NDPS Act. Considering the submission made by the Learned Counsel for the respective parties, the quantity of ganja seized bar under section 37 of the NDPS Act, while not inclining to release the petitioner on bail on merit, but taking into account his period of detention in judicial custody, I am inclined to release him on interim bail for a period of 3 months. He will appear before the Learned Trial Court on each date. Okay? 3 months bail granted. Yes. Hmm.
33.
32.
33.
Yes.
My lord, the time see order dated 1/12/2020. Pursuant to your lordship's direction, the report has come. It is in flag M of my lordship's bill.
Yes, 4 witnesses have been examined by that date when the report was submitted.
Yes.
So, what is the date of custody?
My lord, I am in custody since 18/8/2021.
And you are a man from Bihar.
Yes.
So, have you furnished the local sureties?
My lord, your lordship may allow explanation.
Then, have you obtained the instruction about the address verification?
No, my lord.
The learned counsel for the petitioner submitted that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 18/8/2021. Let the petitioner counsel supply the names, address, and documents of 2 local sureties to the petitioner and to the state council. One receipt of the same shall verify so and so. The learned counsel for the state shall also obtain about the correctness of the address furnished in the cause title, address furnished by the petitioner, as he is a man from state of Bihar. Hala? Put up this matter on such and such date.
Well,
Yes.
may I permit, my lord?
Yes.
May I, may I allow, my lord?
Which item?
Item number 59, my lord.
It has not reached. You are to wait, Mr. Counsel. I'm going serially. These matters were passed over. That's why I took up these matters. So, yes.
Item 41.
Item 41, I am in the VC, ma'am.
31.
41.
41.
Yes.
41.
Yes. Is it the first bail application or earlier reject?
Well, this is the first bail application. Well, the other co-accused person's bail application, which was initially rejected and subsequently allowed by your lordship, that's why the matter has been before your lordship. Well, at page 9 of my petition, the allegation.
You have received the case diary?
My lord.
So, what is the date of custody?
Well, 7/8/2022.
22.
Mile.
And you have been charge sheeted under section
302/201, read with 34 of IPC.
What is the name of the deceased?
Krushi Miniak. The co-accused person's bail order is at page 20, your lordship. Your lordship's order.
So, the eyewitness Tekhena Miniaka, he
Ma'am.
has been examined in the trial court as PW1 and not supported the prosecution.
Ma'am.
That is why. So, what do you say, Mrs. Sahoo?
My lord.
are the learned counsel for the petitioner, learned counsel for the state. Considering the submission made by the learned counsel for the petitioner that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 7/8/2022 and eyewitness to the occurrence, namely Dekhena Miniaka, being examined as PW1.
There are 4 eyewitness in this case, my lord.
uh,
Jadadhara Maniaka, Chandriya Maniaka, Tapan Mandinga.
has not supported the prosecution case, and similarly situated co-accused persons, namely Shangita Miniaka, Kansari Miniaka, Kabir Miniaka, have been released on bail by this court in different bail applications. And after hearing the learned counsel for the state, I am inclined to release the petitioner on bail allowed.
Well, obliged.
Item 42.
May it please your lordship. Item number 42, my lord. Here 2 bail application before this honorable court, my lord. One bail application of Prasant Balwant Rai, another is Markanda Sadangi, my lord.
Yes.
So for the Prasant Balwant Rai bail application concern, my lord, this is a first time bail application. And Markanda Sadangi bail application, previously your lordship disposed the bail application of the petitioner, your lordship.
Yes.
My lord, your lordship may kindly peruse page number 14, that is a PW1 statement, my lord.
No, which bail application you are facing now?
Both, my lord, both, my lord. Both are similarly footing, my lord.
Okay, just tell me, in each of the bail application there is one accused.
One accused, your lord.
So the accused Prashant Balwant Rai is in custody since when?
22 May 2018.
And what about this Markand?
1st August 2018, my lord.
And
This in the court.
they have been charge sheeted under section?
Charge sheeted under section 302-34 of IPC, read with 25 and 27 of Arms Act.
When the occurrence took place?
Occurrence, my lord, 17/5/2018. And in the next date, 18/5, the FIR registered.
So now the trial has commenced.
Commenced, your lordship. 18 witnesses are already examined. As per prosecution allegation, my lord, PW1 and 2 is the eyewitnesses.
What they have stated against you?
They stated, my lord, may I read, your lordship?
Which evidence you are placing now?
Page number, sorry, my lord, in Markanda Sadangi, my lord, page number 14, PW1 statement.
PW1 is
Mother of the deceased.
Sittu Martha.
Sita Martha, my lord.
Sita Martha.
My lord.
So what this witness has stated?
My lord, I was in my house and my son went out of the house and was standing outside the house as it was very hot inside the house. I heard the sound of my son, deceased Maheshwara, and I came out of my house and saw accused Bhola slaying my son with a sword. Guno was assaulting Maheshwara by a bhujali. Guno, one of the petitioner, my lord. And Gajamano was assaulted him by a chapad. Sankara was assaulting Maheshwara with iron rod. Then the accused person, after assaulting Maheshwara, fled away from the spot. Maheshwara had sustained bleeding injury on his head due to the assault by the accused person. The Maheshwara was immediately taken to DHH Puri in the auto rickshaw.
So what is your submission? All of you assaulted the deceased?
Yes, your lordship.
Weapon.
Considering this statement of the PW1, my lord, your lordship granted bail to two of the co-accused, my lord, that is Sankar Pradhan, wide BLPL number 13,325 of 2023.
What is the bail order copy?
My lord, I have submitted the bail orders.
Have you received the bail order copy?
Previous date rate at least copy.
Who has been granted bail according to you?
Shankar Pradhan and Niranjan Maharana, Gajanana,
Shankar Pradhan
my lord.
and Niranjan.
Maharana alias Gajanana.
So as per the evidence of this PW1,
My lord. May I read the order, my lord?
no, Shankar has assaulted Maheshwar with an iron rod.
My lord.
Gajanan assault by chapad.
My lord.
Then this Guna assaulted by means of
Bhujali.
that order. Let us see why the bail has been granted.
May I read the order, your lordship?
No. We have to also see that.
My lord.
What is the BLAPL number?
BLPL number 13325 of 2023.
In that order, both of them have been granted bail.
No, different bail application. One is
Yeah.
133.
So you give the bail order copies to the State Council, let her verify. The learned counsel for the petitioner placed the evidence of PW1, the mother of the deceased, and submitted that similarly situated co-accused persons, namely Shankar Pradhan and Niranjan Maharana, who have also assaulted the deceased by different weapons, like the petitioner, have been released on bail. Let the bail order copies of the co-accused persons be furnished to the Land and State Council for verification of this matter on 21st June 2024. Yes. This matter will come along with the other matter. Yes, next.
Item 43.
May I please?
Item 44.
May I please the lordship, my lord? Last occasion, my lord directed to call for a status report as because previous BLAPL number 11
Yes, status report indicates that out of 4 PR witnesses, 1 witness has been examined.
after obtaining the call for the report, one witnesses they have
Right, so that is the report.
ଆଉ
So-
କଷ୍ଟଡି ରହିଲେଣି ମିଲର 14/1/2022 ରେ 6 month direction ଥିଲା BLAPL 11,680 of 2022 till the date of report call for this honorable court no witnesses examined.
So let him go on interim bail, the order. Mr. Sahoo,
My lord.
local man, are the learned counsel for the petitioner, learned counsel for the state. The learned counsel for the petitioner submitted that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 14/1/2022. When he approached this court first time for bail in BLAPL number 11680 of 2022, as per order dated 4/9/2023, while rejecting the application for bail, direction was issued to the London trial court to expedite the framing of the charge and to conclude the trial within a period of 6 months from the date of framing of the charge. Petitioner was given liberty to renew the prayer for bail if the trial is not concluded within the said period. The status report submitted by the London trial court dated 29/4/2024 indicates that out of 4 PR witnesses, 1 witness has been examined. It further appears that the petitioner is a local man. Considering the submission made by the London Council for the respective parties, in view of the commercial quantity of ganja seized from the possession of the petitioner and bar under section 37 of the NDPS Act, while not inclining to release the petitioner on bail on merit, but taking into account his period of detention in judicial custody, and since the order passed by this court in the earlier bail application has not been complied with, I am inclined to release the petitioner on interim bail for a period of 3 months. He shall appear before the London trial court on each date when the case would be posted for trial, and shall not indulge in any criminal activity. Violation shall entail cancellation of bail.
Okay.
Item 45.
Lordship, one pass over on behalf of Sujata Jana. One pass.
So what we'll do, this is now time for, so whether we'll hold food after lunch or this is the last item.
Lordship, after lunch.
The period was live streaming that is. So the extension is allowed.
Item 66 my lord se coactive statement is some bail order
No,
like
merit रे पर मु extension खोजी. Yes, Mr.
Item 99. Interim order was granted for 3 months. That expired on 18 to your lordship last week, extended till 20th.
Interim bail order extended till 21st of June 2020.
I beg your pardon to mention, Mullah.
So,
I beg your pardon to mention, Mullah.
Lordship, item 45. May I submit, Lordship, item 45, Lordship. In this case, Lordship, as per the instruction, the wife of the petitioner has filed the affidavit regarding the
the property which the petitioner want to sell, and that property
Those
details.
matters will be taken up after vacation.
My lord, all rest of the matter, my lord, which has already been listed, pray, my lord, after vacation, my
After vacation.
I beg your pardon to mention, my lords. Lords, I beg your pardon to mention.
On the matter.
We beg your pardon to mention, my lords.
obviously.
My lords, my lords, item number 84, my lords, criminal appeal 426, 2024, my lords. On multiple dates, it was listed, but due to paucity of time, could not be taken up. It's a bill matter, my lords. It's tied up matter.
80.
84, my lords.
What do you want?
It's a bail matter, my lords. On various
Bill matter will be taken up on 21st of June 2020.
my lords, if on vacation, if we be granted leave.
My lord, my item number is 59, my lord.
Move up on 21st, it will come. Okay. Wish you all happy vacation. Thank you.